Most home security systems are designed to automatically silence the alarm after a few minutes. The problem is that if you're not home when the alarm sounds, you could come home later, not realize that someone has broken into your home, and walk in on an intruder. With our home security system, the keypad backlight changes color to red when the alarm has been activated, and it stays red until you clear the alarm and reset the keypad. Even if the central station can't reach you, the red backlight will warn you that your alarm sounded, that someone may have broken in and could still be in your home. Don't risk walking into your home and coming face to face with an intruder. The visual alert provided by our red illuminated keypad gives you an instant warning of possible danger and gives you the opportunity to stay safely outside until help arrives. Your alarm system dealer is a security professional who can answer your questions about the red illuminated keypad feature or any other questions about alarm system features and functions.